Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Printing multiple sheets and multiple copies. In the previous videos, we have looked at the Page Layout tab under the sections Page Setup, Scale to Fit, and Sheet options. Now let us look at more printing options. After we have selected all our required settings, we go to the Print Preview here under the File tab. Here we can see any last-minute settings that we want to change. Currently we have no scaling, and then the margins are normal, then the orientation is landscape. Now we have to select the printer where we want to print it. I have currently selected it to make a PDF file from this selection of sheets. I can choose any of these options depending on what I need. Then we come to the Print Active Sheets option. As you can see, only Print the Active Sheets is listed here. Under the options, you can see Print Entire Workbook, which prints all the sheets, Print Selection, which prints only the cells that were selected. If you have not selected any sheets, the Print Active Sheets will print the sheet that you were on before you came to the Print Preview. The option for Collated can be used when you have more than one copy. Let us say we want 4 copies of this file. This file has 4 pages in it. When you use Collated option, it will print the 4 pages of the file and then the second copy of those 4 pages and then the third copy and then the fourth. But when you select Uncollated, it will print 4 copies of the first page, then the 4 copies of the second page, then the 4 copies of third page, and so on. Let me select Collated here. Now if I am happy with all the settings, I can directly click on Print, which will print to the printer I have selected. If I want to print multiple sheets, I can press down the Ctrl key and select on all the sheets I want to print. So now I selected sheet 6. This is the only active sheet right now. If I want both work 1 and sheet 6, I press Ctrl key and select both of them. Now if you see in the Print Preview, it is showing me all the 4 pages of work 1 and also sheet 6, which is fitted on one single page. Hence my total number of pages will be 5. This was printing multiple sheets and multiple copies of Excel. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.